All right, so next one. All right guys, PM pack out time. Now we do have all the tips and stuff for the hose, but what happens when you don't have a water supply to hook up a hose to? So this is what it looks like stored. It's gonna store my pressure washer and adapters, and it's gonna store a Milwaukee blower because we do maintenance mostly with this, and I need a blower usually for that. You know, different adapters for the hose if I have the hose set up. So normally if I do the hose setup, I take out this and leave it behind in the van, and then I just stuff a foam cannon, which is from Refrigeration Technologies. It could be the New Cal one. Whichever one you guys use, it'll fit in here, or it should fit in here. It does for me. And then I can throw in an expandable hose, and that fits like this. Then I take that as that setup, or if I need water, I have this setup. So for this setup, we take out everything for the hose, and we need just what we need for the pressure washer. So we got our washer, our siphoning hose. It comes with a foam cannon that attaches to it, so that's where I put my cleaner. And then I had to get this separate, which is a stubby. Fill it up as high as you want it. And I used to use a bucket setup, so that's kind of the same idea. It's just in a pack out. So you're gonna siphon the water out from here. So then we have the stubby adapter with the pressure washer on it, because that's what works. This is for the hose. And obviously you're gonna use a foam cannon if you're gonna do coil cleaning, but I don't have a coil to clean right now. I'm actually on vacation. So then the water's in there, siphon it out. This one does have just a water setting, not really a pressure washer like the other ones. So use that to rinse off your coil. All right guys, so that's basically it. You can obviously attach a lot of these together because it's all quick connect fittings. All this goes in the pack out for storage. Change it out for a expandable hose and foam cannon if I don't need the pressure washer, and mine is a works. This was my setup before. So when I would fill this up with water when I needed it, and then store all this in there like so. You know, and if I was using a hose, throw the hose in there, and my Milwaukee blower. So old setup, new setup. I just started buying Milwaukee, so everything's going in pack outs, regardless of who thought of it first. And what everybody always asks me about is the strap. So yeah, sometimes I just want to holster it up like that. So for myself, drill the hole here. Carabiner like this will fit through, something thinner, and then clip the other side through the hole there for the lock, and then throw it on the shoulder. This is a tough belt strap. I put these on everything, and you can take it up like that. And if you guys are wondering, this was for the old wand setup, so something like that. Now this one, you do have to use it as a handle. It's gonna be hard to take it up on the roof with the strap and the wand, but I don't know, it's there just in case, because sometimes I do use this wand more for walk-in coolers and stuff, not really roof anymore. So that's that. Show you the next one on the next video, so make sure you follow, hit that like, all that good stuff.